Nikwa.
Right, the Big Bull of Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to those of you tuning in from the bars, tuning in from the rental car, from the private car, from your Pajero, from your twin cab, from wherever you are, we are this morning.
All right.
How are you?
Where there is AA, there is AR.
Okay.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
We say good morning to brother Mike,
Right.
bus driver of Shobas.
Okay.
Iya, doon non route sa may Namboro.
Right.
Isubat do bimbit ko may 6:30.
Right.
Dabi mataka. Vi garabit juga na matali ko. Brother Mike.
Doon
Kaya kada pas di Shobas.
Right.
Sama juga may napakata bisinga.
FCC Mbualala ndo mbula binaka manini binaka for this morning and also to everyone.
Okay.
To Peter Rotupidi and the family. 26
Ons.
26 ons ko rin ako support. To the 26 apartment ko na tampa pala bagaro sa Irag.
Where more apartment?
May mga apartment ko rin nalasa. Mbula binaka to everybody this morning and this afternoon somewhere from someone.
Right. Some places it's like in the night.
Yeah.
Some places evening.
Yeah.
Some places midday. So a very good morning and a very Arneandra and a very Mulabinaka to those of you tuning in everywhere you are. We are. And all those the 5 followers
station
on our TikTok account. Double tap guys. And a YouTube channel, subscribe on our YouTube channel, VDFM YouTube channel. Guys, and a TikTok account.
Simon Imbanube, John Kumar, Kidney Center, Singatok Kamarabeli.
Right.
To everyone.
Nakana Rose. Nakana Rose.
Jacob Rumuwala. Hindi mo naman mikito na paganda siguro mikimuni.
Hindi na Rose.
And matakango herb na kaya nabugri bito kandi.
Sabi na riba.
Right.
Sabi na riba.
This one from Ekete.
Na riba.
Inba.
Yeah. Kimuni.
Tex and Saki and Rabilaka.
Right.
Mau sih na pas dito dok ni Tolili. Tapi itu kan belum main na Princess Road, na Fletcher Road, na Rodwell Road, na Grantham Road, na Subrasori Corridor.
Right.
Mau din kan belum bito kan na matakir baka bising di kuah.
Na tama natin yung salong sa Bilolo.
Relangi Road.
Oh, Relangi Road.
Yeah.
Sad. Good morning to those who tuning in from the Relangi Road this morning.
Beraka na besi berumur nimbul berkan lebih biti ni tagito sa pinang sulang karabita biar na asli berumur ta mga ni orang mul mikirisa.
Andrasia.
Dora tavin to ifere mimbamba.
Isa.
Bola tavin ko kita sa girmana no.
Right.
O sa keter ko ni tavin ko siguro ribe.
Yeah.
Where are you now?
Where are you?
Tudo kay ti tutua. O sa tu sar ko New Zealand.
Tutoyo.
Tu sar ko New Zealand.
Saan din?
Ano na katavin ko pinabolo sa sanga pinabolo sa sanga.
Doon
na bolo sa bito ka na napakata bisig ni ko.
Taron na bule lay alawan into na friend na ngoni baswe.
Yeah.
Avuli rischool. Wote ngay pasomben day pasakong.
Yeah.
O ta sa pasomben ngay tarong ina na bardal si buli. Hey, where's your brother? Simbero ka, my brother in the home.
Okay.
Simon Imbanube mbula binaka piti.
Oh, dumbulo saka.
Hey, Aurora 07.
Come.
Aurora 07. Alolo masartuan ko and a Northern Territory my Australia. Thank you for the rose.
Yeah.
Congrats, lit up roses in the VTFM. Thank you. Kena lebu na rose, kena na balem sar na siya tumay. And this one, chone kitale. Barong sartuan ko, sartuan ko, no sorry, on the VTFM TikTok and J Rocks Arneandra. Thank you so much. Binabalebu doon ko sa 17 rose, 18 rose binabalebu. Aurora na rose na matagal ko.
Team of Village Boys, ready for the Nawaka 7 sa Tumele Altavua, sa Udo Kondoyanra.
Ano na ka Obi Wadali, Masta Rusi Wadali.
Right.
Pwede na ka nulubito ka diyan na matagli ko. Yawan sin Molly. Right. Ano na ka na Selefam, pwede na ka nulubito ka di. And na matagli ko. Okay, our story this morning is about bet.
Oh, we was not watching movie. We was watching the game against Chiefs.
Right.
And the games against Danrua.
Right.
We was watching from Lautoka.
Right.
Then we was doing the content. We take pictures, take video along the side. Phone numbers metarongi. So when we come to the Vakona,
Right.
I met one of our friend.
Okay.
This fella is from our relatives from Naitasiri.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, one video was being viral on the Facebook.
Yeah.
There's somebody was talking on the bridge.
Right.
Yeah.
Was talking because the flooded come over the bridge.
Leave the bridge.
Leave the bridge, go na lap kambi. So they was there, and they asking if could the government could see what's happening on the bridge. People
Right.
from Naitasiri, they are waiting
Yeah.
till the water goes down because
Yeah.
of the river.
Yeah.
From their forefather,
Yeah.
now still going on. How about the future?
Right.
If they can come without Naitasiri, without their Monasabu Dam,
Yeah.
the black dark skin will be on the Fiji Island. And I'm not committee.
Right.
Because there is no life. If you could please
Yeah.
see the water level.
He was there in Lutoka.
He was then Lotoka.
Okay.
He was sing together.
Yeah.
So we are close to the VIP box.
Yeah.
These are VIP opposite to the bench.
Who's?
Halftime. Na mi mama.
Yeah.
Na mi mama.
Yeah.
He was there where Waisele Serebi and people coming from both seats. So,
The VIP people.
yeah, VIP people, $180 of their payment.
MGM High School, Evatuanga, Ben Valentine Andra.
Right.
Yeah, so he was there.
And you two not VIP.
Who?
You and him.
VIC. So from there.
Very important con.
Yeah. We was there.
Yeah.
We was talking to each other, and the fellow said because one tree was there.
Yeah.
Tree.
One baka tree.
Say.
Yeah, one overseas base.
You climb.
Dara buni kami buni baka ni baba langi.
Oh, okay.
Was there.
Right.
So
Climb the tree.
Climb the tree, me kaila baki. So we was there. We was because of the rain and the sun, eh?
Yeah.
So the fellow coming.
Because of the rain and the sun. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you have the combination on Saturday.
Yeah.
Combination.
And rain and sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a combo.
Combo ko rin nabalikan na. So we was there inside the then the fella, come, we wait here. Because of the weather,
So the VIP gang sitting on the tree, or what?
sit on the tree na may na. They was in there.
Di ko tugon chigo, di kemro chigo na sa di bunikau.
Iyo.
Erna,
The
bala
VIP.
kemro to the VIP.
On top.
Iyo. Kembala nan.
Kerto na VIP, mertong ke tambel to na bunikaw. Apo mo terto sa dirtong ko balimbula. So they was there, we was talking to each other. Then after that, they send us outside.
Why?
Because we don't allow to stay on the passage.
But we have the pass, the miss.
We have the pass, so
Yeah.
I want to accompany the fella because we are sent together.
Oh, okay.
So usin bila kata me stay there, so we going together.
Right.
On the gate.
Iyo.
Nangusin ni mata-mata the passage of the
Big gate.
Huh?
Big it.
Yeah, the big gate.
Yeah.
We standing there
Right.
together with this fellow friend. Then people are coming.
Iyo.
Ah.
Till half time, still people coming inside there, still want to watch.
Sure.
They want to
And sure.
advocate.
Yeah.
Yeah. We please move. People are coming. Umbrella up, heavy rain on the top.
Yeah, right.
So people are watching. Then from there,
Yeah.
the VIP people they are saving the food.
Yeah.
When they saving the food, they giving the food to them.
Yeah.
Give the food. Then from there, each container
Yeah.
they have to write their name. Them.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
they order.
Yeah.
So they write their name on the container.
Yeah.
There is a name there.
Yeah.
In the VIP, his name is BAT.
Huh?
Bet.
Oi.
Was written on the container.
Yeah.
BAT. And the fellow was talking in Naitasiri dialect. Very, Robinaka.
Yeah.
He was cheering. Hey, referee!
Yeah.
Watch out for your calling.
Yeah.
Everybody was laughing when that fellow was talking.
Gari
And from there, after that,
Yeah.
somebody take the food. Sa bitumen kakar ko sa kanauti.
Who told you to take the money?
Who them?
Yeah.
Then from there they see the food.
Yeah.
Okay, to read them hey!
Yeah.
Some of you VIP are very big ita. Can't even see left food from there.
Ikuntu sa biakar juga.
You kita orang cuma kumatan ni mata-mata. Then from there, somebody enter again with the name BAT.
Yeah.
Bet.
Yeah.
Going inside and the food kami tatilo manakya kari.
Yeah.
Mbiloma. Ona buga mo ko. Hey!
Yeah.
Yeah, people!
Yeah.
Wandering!
Yeah.
Akarimbeka! Sinimbera nga leo kami keto so kay buri na mo andua.
Yeah.
Karena tuh karimbeka talaga kay balagi. Katu muna ba hindi
First time in my life.
First time in my life, I see the karimbeka ubango sinimbera nga morto na siyempre kakarsime karimbeka na dala sarang angor.
Se dimikila ci kortu ya se ngak kumro be kadi ci karya.
Karimbeka bella la boli sera.
Kayak nggak bambulum mula tak kita lengkona Karimbeka. Oke lah COVID-19 biar ramai China tadi ke bibit. Tabale, apa tinggal tamai bati?
What do you think kata to may balang erdokan na Karimbeka? What do you think?
Yeah, food is very good, eh?
Yeah.
Good. Kau yo, they use it for cotton wool.
John Kumar tuh singing on the TikTok.
Yeah. Mel na lebu na walebu. We love you all.
Right.
Our bad family.
Beki menina kanta do warna buki na sana we kanta do sarang ito.
Di na sar.
So dole sarang ito le tanta bitunga para itu baka me pang lutu.
Iya.
So sianga.
Ya na kanta ya.
So santo nonra hobi sarang gitu. Se edo to tali tali sarang gitu dira juga santa.
Iyo.
Salah ko tunang gitu. Gelang tu kena be matanggali bos. Ko nga buki dala.
Right.
Ko na kena itu.
Bilang lah ko sale mo sa nona puno ya sa pakai dalo refri. Sambul sartu kan gitu, tiang kay.
O de tu con dalo refri.
Entar idangan o kata tali kan takila.
Nang sa tumo ka biro sa antu mo kutun ribu sa to.
Asimero ko berna dumutun rebi. Hey! Ni mo baka sa matay kaya may namunan bala bukim bala ko mekin misara pa rin gitu. Sa uli po na duru-duru. Ni bela no mi manta.
Kyo cetakin ruah.
Kyo cetakin ruah. Elo binaka kyo lo mana na timnin ruah bitara na muibi. Yo keto rabi timuri. Kau lekan ni ratu iliwi angke sabi sibita kan ebi umersar sar pa binaka. Isa.
Ya terkam endabuli dikina endabuli kina.
Dir sar.
Baru tikata sekali. Pentali sarang gitu bang, dona pia kecil lama na do suai, na siya do
Suai
suai.
se continue
So
usa.
sa bang bisau.
Right. Iyo.
Mensa sabi su takaba nda.
Dir sar.
Iyo.
So na kecil na kanta to ya. Ko gesa cumi boya meni nakor.
Iya. Tamay say Jackson. Ni sa duel sungo.
Oh, yan na tamay say.
Sajel.
Ko gesa cumi nakor meli sarang gitu sarang juga ni na yasa sa bakara.
Iyo.
Gimana sama tak suro so kuasa mai.
Hindi na.
So ano we kan umali berto ng oneleo. Rangwali sar may bayawa.
Iyo, hindi na sa.
May natewa.
Iyo.
May bunolewu.
Yeah.
Rangwali may merli sar baleta ni.
May undu po hindi.
Ya may udu po
Yeah.
hindi.
Arto na ni buwalen to nang onelo ni undu vika ngung gitu baca betul tim ngonelewa.
Right.
Arto ngole mena bubale. Anda pinaka na lilay lo te bakatawa tina Evelyn. Anda pinaka.
Ada benak na FNI Communications si Raffle Range Watuanga EBS. Ada benak nanta may rokota kala pakaruru.
Right.
Ada benak yang matakini ko.
Alright.
Isa.
Emi andra.
Iya, kembali na sa sargito katarabo.
Iyo.
Mena sa baya, mesa sargito ta pakasam.
Huwag mo sandaan doon na konti na Karimbeka.
Sa akin na sargito.
Iya.
Kutsika mo bisaw.
Kuno night me ango na night crawler.
Iya.
Miyaw dem sumindo nga no mutapalin.
15 seconds. And Thomas Kautia,
Iya.
anda nakapita. Kita usah tahu.
Iya.
Dono.
Pinabale mo. We love you all.
Dono.
Share, like, heart, share.